Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, July 16th, and this is your weekly market watch for the Seattle area real estate market. Hey there, I'm Brendan Klaus. So we are in the middle of summer for sure. We're definitely in the middle of summer, and what I have experienced and our team has experienced is that June was relatively slow. We had closings, but nothing really going into contract, and July has been the complete opposite of that. So starting at the beginning of July, really it coincided with the rates coming down to the lowest in 3 months. We saw buyers getting back into contract, but let's jump into the rates today and we can talk a little bit about what is going on. So today's rates are a bit higher. Right now, the 30-year fixed is at 6.85%. 15-year fixed is at 6.07%. Those are both up week over week. Let's see, last week it was at 6.8 and 6 respectively. And then the 30-year FHA and VA today are at 6.4 and 6.41. So something to definitely keep in mind, those rates are still fluctuating. Typically, if we see the inflation numbers come out lower than expected, which it did, it came out lower than the median expectation, usually we would see rates fall a little bit in that regard, but Fed is kind of taking a wait and see approach according to the news that's being reported. And so therefore we're not seeing rates being cut right away. Things that I'm hearing are definitely that people don't think there will be a cut in July and rather think that that cut may come in September. So that's something that we definitely watch because we want to see when buyers may have more buying power, when they may be able to get a little bit more for their money. And so we certainly watch that to see what's going to happen as far as the rates go. So that is the interest rates. As far as what our team has seen in the past week, we've definitely seen some activity. We've seen a good amount of showings on our listings. One of our listings actually went under contract after a pretty big price reduction. It got a lot of traction. And then we did see another home go under contract as well at a discount, a new build. Buyers are out there. You are able to negotiate a discount if you're buying. That's one thing we talk about a lot. We're seeing anywhere from 1% to 3% typically. So it's definitely something to keep in mind as you start thinking about purchasing if that's in your future and something that you want to do. So let's talk about the condo market. All of the numbers this week are up. We saw 99 new additional listings this week, which was a total of 250. That's up from 151 last week. Pending listings are also up at 185. That's up 27 from the week prior. And sold listings are up 33. That's up at 127 total. So all three of these numbers are up. You know, when we look back at the last week, I think these were all down because of the July 4th holiday. So we do see back to kind of normal levels of what we would expect at this point. The 250 number of new listings is pretty significant for condos in the Seattle area. It's probably not the highest we've seen, but it's definitely up there. Now, as far as residential homes go, new listings were also up quite a lot for single family homes and townhomes. They were up at 319 more this week, so a total of 634. Now, that's definitely not our peak, but it is a significant amount. It's a good amount for buyers who are shopping. Pending listings also shot up again at additional 110 over last week, so that put us at 564. So you see 564 going under contract in the week and about 634 coming onto the market. It's not exactly the same timing, but it gives you a good idea of what is coming on the market. A lot of those are going under contract still, and it could include homes that have been sitting for a while, but we do see those going under contract. Number of sold listings is up by 58 at 403. That's up from 345 the week prior. So across the board, both condos and residential homes, we see up in all three categories of all three stats: new listings, homes under contract, and sold listings. And again, that's most likely because what we're seeing is a recovery from the July 4th holiday. And when I say recovery, I don't mean like anything bad. I just mean that oftentimes people are off. Vendors are not working. It's a bank holiday. You don't have appraisers working. And so there's a lot fewer closings, a lot less activity, and people are just out of town. So it's a bit more difficult to get things done, especially in the real estate world. So that is kind of what's going on in the market this week. Again, it's Wednesday, July 16th. If you are thinking about purchasing a home in the fall or later in the summer, or you're thinking about selling your home, reach out if you would like to have a free strategy call with me and our team and to discuss what your options are and really how we can help you achieve the goals that you've set out for yourself. It's completely free to you. We meet over Zoom and we can chat through what your goals are and what you'd like to ultimately do in real estate. You can text us or email us to set up that appointment, and we look forward to hearing from you if that's something you choose to do. If not, thanks for tuning in again this week, and we will see you again next week.